This is Miss Casey Cleary, a magnificent mathematics teacher at Benjamin Stoddard Middle School who has worked in Charles County Public Schools for over 7 years. Her ability to help her students understand and grow to love math is one of the many reasons Miss Cleary was selected as the Charles County Public Schools finalist in the Washington Post's Teacher of the Year Award program. We are going to learn more about Miss Cleary as two unknown variables will be inserted into this equation. Miss Cleary, are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh my gosh! Hi guys! Hi Marilyn! It's so good to see you! Hi! It's so good to see you! You guys are getting so old!
Hi, my name is Delaney Smith. I had Miss Cleary my 8th grade year, and now I'm a junior.
Hi, my name is Marilyn. I had Miss Cleary 4 years ago, and she was my 8th grade math teacher, and now I'm a senior. Time flies.
Oh my goodness! Senior?
Tell us why you decided to go into education and your decision to teach math.
So I said that I wanted to be a teacher when I was 5 because I wanted to write on the chalkboard. So that's when I picked that I wanted to be a teacher. But obviously over the years, it became more that I wanted to be able to help people, and I wanted to be able to interact, and I wanted to have something new happen every day. So I ended up sticking with the math because math was always my favorite subject in school, and it's what I enjoy the most. And during college, when I got to practice teaching math, that's really where I fell into love with math.
How do you make math relevant to your students?
I like bringing stuff from my own life into the classroom to help make it more relevant. You guys should remember when we did exponential functions, we talked about exponential growth, especially in terms of disease. Right now, it's actually incredibly relevant what we talked about. Another thing that I did was when we talk about car depreciation and exponential decay, I literally pull up the Kelley Blue Book on my car and we look every year at how much my car's value has decreased, and then I cry with you all together.
What does math give your students?
I understand that maybe you won't be factoring trinomials every day of your future, but what we really focus on is definitely persevering through those difficult problems and being able to come up with ways to solve problems. And you always are going to have that for the rest of your life. And I really, really push my students to make sure that they're always willing to persevere. That is, I think, the most important skill you get from math.
Besides being a grade A math teacher, Miss Cleary is Stoddard's AVID coordinator and involved in Code.org program at our school. And she is a music video director.
Systems of two equations are a piece of cake for me.
Tell us about your side career as a music video director.
So we started the music videos my first year at Stoddard, and I just wanted to do something fun with students to be able to remember the year by. And I was driving home from work one day, and all of a sudden it came to me that I wanted to do the quadratic formula to the song Whip My Hair by Will Smith, and it worked. So I wrote the lyrics for it, and I got the whole class involved, and we recorded it, and it was so much fun. So once that happened the first year, we wanted to make sure we kept doing it every year. And so now it's what I'm known for here. So by the end of every school year, we have a music video that has been created. And I just think it's a nice way for us to do something that is relevant to school, but it is also a way for us to express our creative side. So it's great.
You have been at Stoddard since you came to Charles County. Why have you never left, and what do you like about your school and the community you serve?
So I was approached in a job fair in Albany, where I'm from. And once I walked in the building here for my interview, I knew this is where I needed to be. I love the community aspect of this school. I love the collaboration among the staff and the families that are here. And I found that it's a lot more fun for me when I get to be able to teach people's siblings, like Marilyn knows that. And I'm really invested in the community of Stoddard and promoting its success.
So, what does being named finalist for the Washington Post Teacher of the Year program mean to you personally?
I am incredibly humbled and honored by this experience to be a part of something here and then have that be recognized at the county level, which was very exciting. And I try to do what's best for my students. I really love being able to see the students succeed during the school year. I love to see the growth that happens with students. I love when that light bulb goes off, but I also love situations like this where I get to see my old students, and I love getting to see how you guys have grown up and what you're doing with your lives, and I really appreciate being able to still be a part of it even though you're not at Stoddard anymore in 8th grade with me.